right, let's look what rolled in the shop on this wet, rainy Monday morning. Now, it's either 58 or 59. I believe it's a 59, the gentleman said. It's a Shortbox Fleetside. He had this truck, all the paint and the bodywork done on it several years ago. I think it's been 10 years plus. He had the engine completely rebuilt, which has never been ran. And he just ran into some bad luck with some certain people. And they did the bodywork and paint, did a beautiful job. And then I'm not certain what happened. I think the guy maybe retired or something, never got done. I could be getting this wrong. And then it went to another shop and they tried their best to get it together. Then it went to another guy and he kind of played with it. And it's just been sitting around forever. And he's kind of just like, I need to get this thing done, man. So he brought it out. It's got a shitload of parts in the back. I see there's the visor. The hood's all wrapped up in there. The chrome's all in here. Let's take a look here. There we go. And of course, over the years, he's had it. Unfortunately, you see what's happened. It's gotten scratched there. It's gotten scratched there. This, luckily, is an easy repair because you could just sand that, if you're careful, and repaint that whole piece. So, but that's it. It's a stock truck. I think he said it came out of Arizona. Big back window. Very little rust in this truck ever. So we got quite a bit to do here because we didn't take it apart. This is not something that you just do in a day or two. I mean, we've done trucks like this before, but when they come to you in a million totes and all in parts and pieces, you don't know what you got, you don't know what's missing. You got to find it all. So unfortunately, when customers bring stuff like this in and it's in boxes and that, I always say to them, you're probably going to spend a good 2 days labor with me for me just to sit in the garage, empty all the boxes out, go through this shit and see what's there. Unless it's all been labeled and tagged in the boxes, well then we're okay. You're going to spend maybe half a day, I lay it out and away we go. But if it's just thrown in the boxes like I'm assuming it is, because 90% of them are, there's a good couple days figuring this shit out. So, but you explain it to the customer, they understand it, they know where you're coming from, and you know, they get it. You can see down here, he's got the bumpers all in there. What else have we got? Looks like the tailgate right there. He's really, I hope he's packed it up. It looks like he's got blanket over blanket after blanket, so hopefully there's no other scratches going on. And it's the gold with like a satin black dash top in it. Obviously we got to do wiring, we got to get the engine running, we got to put the gauges, we got to do the glass, we got to do everything. Everything on this old girl. So, stainless is all there, lots of stainless. Looks like it's got all the stainless around the windows. Looks like he's got the toolbox tray there. It might have had a toolbox tray behind the seat or something. He's got a stereo there. I see. Looks like he's mounted on a wood he's trying to hide somewhere. So I don't know. I never did ask him about that. But yeah, very cool truck. Very, very cool. I like the 58, 59s. I like the big old dual headlight trucks. The 55 through 7s are the most popular. But you know, there's something about the 58, 59s I just like. Just a neat old truck. So that's what's going on there right now. So yeah, sort of, it's like the pizza truck we're building in there. Which, by the way, it is going for paint this Wednesday. Jared is going to be working his magic. If you look at the color, this down below, that's the same color the pizza oven truck is. That's the factory color. And then I believe this reddy orange color on here, I think it's red, obviously. It's called Cardinal Red. I believe that's what they called it in 58 or 59. I keep saying 58. I'm certain he said this is a 59. So that's kind of cool. Very, very cool. But yeah, I like these trucks. They're different. You know, I always like the things that are a little different. You know, everybody likes the run-of-the-mill stuff, or I like the oddball. At the end of the day, it's an old car, and you got to save them all. So that's what's going on there. That's what's going on here. And then the Mustang, you can see, is sitting over there. She's back on her feet again on the back, and the front's up in the air. And we'll be doing a video on that soon, showing you what's going on there. And you know, inside here, Sean's working away. We got the custom covered up right now. He's back on that tomorrow. But for right now, this is the hood off the 56 Chevy. He's prepping that, getting it ready in 600. So it goes, because like I say, it goes here on Wednesday. So he's getting that all ready. What else has he got going on here? Oh, he's got the, there's your piece, oh God, now I forget the name of it. Forget it, we won't worry about that. Your valance up top where your wipers come through. He's got the visor there. He's got some inside moldings. These are door moldings around your windows and your front dash molding. He's got all that stuff kind of going on. You see he's got these are the cover plates that go down on your doors on the 50s trucks. They go down below, and that's your access hole to get to your hinges after. So that is what is happening here at OTG today. So hey, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time, and we will most certainly see you next time. Big thumbs up.